Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I am making a coleslaw salad. So as you can see, I am adding my mayonnaise in my empty bowl. I then add my favorite salad dressing. So you can add any favorite of yours of salad dressing, guys. So now it's time for me to chop my cabbage. After chopping my cabbage, I will then add it in the same bowl that I did add my mayonnaise and my favorite salad dressing. So that is what I am doing in there. I'm chopping my cabbage. So we are almost done, guys. We are almost done. Yes, I am done chopping my cabbage. Then I put it all in my bowl, as you can see. So it's time for me to add fruits. So the first fruit that I did add, it was apple. Though it was supposed to be the last fruit that I add, because if you chop your apple first and add it like I did, the color will change to brownish. So please just don't do the same mistake that I did, but I did it anyway. So I am chopping my apple right there, then I add it in my cabbage. It will be a very delicious salad, guys. You won't regret this. Trust me, it is very delicious. My family actually did enjoy this. So try it. You will see. So it's time for me to add another fruit again. That is pear. So I'm chopping it. As you can see, we are done, guys. We are done. You can achieve this tasty salad in only a few minutes, guys. Few minutes. So it's time for me to add carrots in there. So I like to add my carrots. So I am grating my carrots in there. So I am grating my carrots. That's how I like it in my coleslaw. You can make it a julienne, or you can just cut it into dice. It's up to you. So but I like it to be grated like this. Then mix it together. As you can see, guys, look carefully. You can't even recognize that salad dressing that you put first there. So don't make it swim in your salad dressing. Just put it as little as you can. Then after mixing it together, put it in your fridge for 1 hour. Then you can serve it. Thank you so much. Please like and subscribe.